How to add tokens on Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can add tokens on Phantom Wallet. For this, you want to open the Phantom app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store if you are on your Android device, or head over to App Store if you are on iOS device. Then tap on the search bar and search for Phantom Wallet. You can very easily have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Then you want to make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply create one. Now, once you have created your account, on the home screen, you can find different tokens. For example, here on my home screen, I have Bitcoin and Polygon. Let's say that you want to add some other tokens on Phantom Wallet. All you have to do is tap on the Manage Token List option. Once you do that, you're going to find all the token list over here. Now, let's say that you want to add Solana or Ethereum. All you have to do is toggle these options on. Before that, it wasn't toggled on. If you want to add it, simply toggle it on, or if you want to remove something, you can also toggle it off in this way. You can also search for any token on the search bar as well. And once you have toggled on that option, head back and here you can see tokens have been added. In this way, you can add the tokens on Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.